We'll guide you through how to change camera speed in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many beginners find Blender confusing when starting out, especially with navigation and camera controls. First, open Blender on your desktop and wait until it is fully loaded. Once everything appears on the screen, press the A key on your keyboard to select all objects in the current project. Then press X to delete anything in the project so you can start with a clean workspace. Next, press Shift and it together to open the Add menu. From the menu that appears, go to the Mesh section and choose the monkey object to add it into your scene. After the monkey appears, press S to scale the object and adjust its size using your mouse. Then press R to rotate it and move your mouse to rotate it into the position you prefer. Once you are satisfied with the transformation, press Shift and A again to open the Add menu once more. This time, look for the camera option in the list and press it to add a camera to your scene. After adding the camera, press numpad 0 on your keyboard to switch to the camera view. Next, press Shift and the backtick key on your keyboard to enter camera movement mode. In this mode, you can move forward by pressing W, backward by pressing S, to the left by pressing A, and to the right by pressing D. Use these keys to adjust the camera position around your object. To make the camera movement faster, scroll your mouse wheel up. To make the movement slower and more precise, scroll your mouse wheel down. Continue moving and adjusting the camera until you find a good angle for your object that clearly shows its shape and details. Take your time to experiment with different positions and perspectives until the view looks balanced and visually pleasing. Once you have found the angle you like, you can stop adjusting the camera. This completes the basic process of setting up a simple scene and positioning the camera in Blender. Practicing these steps will help you become more comfortable with navigation and object control in Blender over time, making it easier to create more complex projects later on.